In the stillness of the morning, the world whispers, balance. In that harmony, we found inspiration. Welcome to Aura World's upcoming wellness residential community, where wellness isn't an amenity, it's a way of life. In the heart of Gurugram, the city of dreams and aspirations, lies a tranquil escape, where the bustle of the city meets the embrace of the Aravallis. At the foothills of the Aravallis rises Aura World's signature wellness community, crafted for harmony, balance, and mindful living. More than a development, it's Aura World's next chapter in residential living, designed to breathe with nature. Perfectly placed in Sector 79, Aura World's new residential development offers seamless access to NH8, SPR, Dwarka Expressway, and Golf Course Road Extension, where convenience blends effortlessly with natural tranquility. From Gurugram's premium lifestyle district, the journey unfolds toward open horizons, rising landscapes, and the quiet rhythm of the Aravallis. From sophistication to stillness, the road leads toward the wellness-focused community by Aura World, embraced by nature and elevated by serenity. Trace a journey that begins in the heart of the city, moving through Gurugram's most vibrant corridors towards the calm of the Aravallis. As the city fades, serenity begins. Every mile softens the noise, opening the path to Aura World's upcoming nature-integrated residential destination. Cradled by the Aravallis, this new nature-led residential address by Aura World awakens each day with fresh light and open skies. Here, spaces breathe, and wellness shapes every detail. Thoughtfully planned plots, lush landscapes, and spaces for rejuvenation come together as Aura World's signature expression of wellness living. This isn't just where you reside, it's where you heal, grow, and truly belong. Aura World, the real state of wellness.